This is the elevator going down to the lobby. See which one illuminates.
Are you making a video?
YouTube.
Got away from Nina.
Okay. As you can tell, this is Otis elevator.
What are you doing?
I'm making just documentary. So, and see which one opens
My
up.
boss, they gotta let me take off from another ship at the end of next week. Me and my husband went to a fight. But he has to come back at the end of next week.
Button went out. Here we go. It's Otis. We are going to go to the lobby.
So did you let them
Door close button works.
No, he said he's gotta stay on it because it's still
Call cancel fire
got
department.
swelling.
Stop switch, next generation pictures, and a telephone and control
Okay, yeah,
panel.
just to prevent it from hurting him or something?
Well, he's gotta
2,500
see if it
pounds.
clears up.
3,000.
They don't know. If
There
it
you
doesn't
go.
go down, he's got tightness here. If he can feel something, watch yourself.
That's it.